What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shannon, and this is an unboxing of the Fire 7 with Alexa. This is a 32 gigabyte model. It retails for $69.99 on Amazon. And here are the specs here. It's a 7-inch display, 10 by 24 by 600, so it is not an HD display. Micro SD slot up to 512 gigs, quad core, dual band Wi-Fi, and front and rear cameras. And here are more. It tells everything. If you want to go ahead and read it, pause the video as I go along. Alright, let's go ahead and jump into it there. It had that real easy pull tab kind of thing where we can just pull it right out of the box. Should have maybe the accessories, I'm assuming. Just take everything out of the box. Okay, let's get rid of the box. Alright, now I do believe this will be where the accessories will be in this little box here. Paperwork and all that stuff. Yeah, Fire 7. Amazon, probably like a startup guide, quick guide, and what else? More paperwork. Welcome, Amazon Fire. To get started, blah, blah, blah. And it should have the charging cable and such in here. Yep, there's the charge cord, and there's the charge brick. Alright, so we got the charge brick, the charge cord, paperwork. Let's throw all that to the side, and now let's get to the tablet itself. And let's take it out of the plastic. It should just peel right out. Come right out of the plastic. I know I'm having to do this with one hand, but my tripod is shot, and I just haven't been able to get a new one lately. But here's the tablet itself, and there's the front-facing camera. Let's check out the sides, and there, nothing on that side. Check out this side and the top. Okay, so looks like we got us a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. There is the charging port where you plug in the charger, and then there's the sleep wake power button. So let's go ahead and boot her up, and we'll see if it's got any juice in it. There it is, the Amazon logo. But and we'll kind of see what goes after this. Fire. And of course I'm going to have to set it up, but I'll do that off camera. But anyways, that was an unboxing of the Fire tablet. I believe this is the 9th generation, the 2019 edition of the tablet. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, show me your support with a like, and feel free to comment below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. I'm out of here.